Sure, what is up, adventure seekers? I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Zerothreetwo. Make sure to check out their blogs. And please support me on my Patreon page so I'll be able to continue this passion. I'll put all the links in the description down below. And guys, go check out my What's Your Story journal. Yeah. Grab one or two. Message me on Facebook page or Instagram. So yeah. Hey guys, if you wanna write your stories and everything, your travel plans and ideas, you can put it right over here. So yeah, and if you want to watch more videos, you can click right over here, and more videos right over here. And don't forget to subscribe because I make videos every weekend. I'll see you on the next adventure. Cheer the boys!